Level. Play. So Jason Tate of Singapore.
Babak penyisian 32 besar Kapal Api Indonesia Open 2025. Tunggal putra Indonesia Jonathan Christie melawan Jason Tate dari Singapura.
Lost out to Victor Axelsen in the final. 2022 when he reached the semi-final.
3 poin beruntun untuk pemain Singapura. Jason Tate ini memiliki ranking 24, sedangkan Jonathan Christie ranking 5.
Tour events. He's played a total of 10 tournaments. So he's very much at the higher level now of tournaments. That's 7. That's 4 second round losses.
And sometimes it's hard to shoulder.
That's going wide. Oof. But don't you think he's recovering?
I've heard he had a lunch with Anders Antonsen, but that's pretty much it. I don't know if they practiced or it's landed online.
Resumes in this opening game.
In Singapore, Christie against.
Another good smash.
Wow. Only had to.
Let's not write anything off.
No.
Ampun.
Boy, that's a. That's not easy in that drift, I can tell you that.
The effect of the drift, that was going wide as well, you know.
And the question mark is,
So that for each game, each player has to deal with from Christie.
good play. Us who just sees it in a certain way. Good shot. That was
Lost out to the Malaysian who beat him last week. The old Dun Hao.